This video is brought to you by the Kane Middle School. The company is started in 1944, Punxsutawney, with Beverage Air's founder, John Buffington. It started as Punxsutawney Co., then became what we know today. When first founded, it rose in the food industry for making the first horizontal forced air cooler. As the demand for refrigeration systems rose, John got his brother Herman involved in the business, and this caused the company to spread nationwide in the 50s and 60s.
Present-day Beverage Air has grown into a huge company. The business headquarters is located in North Carolina, but their only factory in Brookville, Pennsylvania. They did have other facilities, but optimization of productivity has led to only needing the two-floored factory.
Hi, my name's Steve Larson. I'm the assembly manager. Conveyor belts and ball tracks make it easier for moving the cabinet down through the assembly area, and it makes it more efficient, and efficiency means profitability. That's what we're always striving for.
As we went through the Beverage Air facility, we came across the recycling area.
They recycle copper, galvanized steel, stainless steel, magnetic and non-magnetic metals, aluminum, and many other metals.
Final reasons that this company is a great employer. Firstly, they have amazing company policies.
Hello, I'm Candace Battaglia, and I am the HR generalist here at Beverage Air. Well, we offer medical and dental and vision. We also have life insurance and accident insurance. We also offer a 401k.
Continuing on, the job that is done is never the same. Each order has unique items to make, which makes it different from an office job. There are different ways to rise higher on the company ladder and workforce.
I'm Ken Doverspike. I work in the engineering department here at Beverage Air, and I've been with Beverage Air for over 54 years. It's a great place to work. There's room to maybe put some effort into your job, learn new things. They promote within. So you can take me, for example. I started in assembly, worked in refrigeration, went to the foaming department. From there to the maintenance department. I went to Penn State Du Bois, got a degree in engineering, and that's how I landed in the engineering department. So it's a great place to work. What's kind of maybe cool about the company, we make product for a lot of fast food chains, and you go into a restaurant, you see your equipment, you say, hey, I had a hand in making that, I designed it. You see an ad on TV for one of the companies, you say, hey, they buy our equipment. So it's a cool place to work.